Nambalenge Samala and Chidro Delays Shuguin.
Good evening, everyone.
Chidangi Inji Kid Johnny Inji Kid Tipja Singer Nye didn't get it in Chonson. Kara Inji Get Singer West Inji Get when I 7 game is in Alola that Peggy more chain that Ki Nibati Tambo Jan the injury. Lord Dune Goblia, Inji jumps, Inji ABC with Jans. Taine T Goblia, Inji Lamien de Chigage or Pojama de Dan Sugombale and Do Machoba. The little Chunse in Inji de what Kashoda Labadi, some sharp. That the name Jagalia live with Jelia, injury chance, injury longer to Jang or in a longer to Jam the Mutuni Jam, get Chunama, this test of Jamado, Bandawa, Logic and Dawa Nadus in the Jang. In a that injury this quiet did this go in a shared Tanto this guy was in 다 야슈디 인지디 신기면 동도시 돼야 되는 가사래.
Lasso?
시에마도 요로 망보수사래.
Lasso? So someone today earlier asked me if I know how to speak English. And the answer is that I speak some pretty weak English. Actually, English was the first second language that I learned and that I started to study. Starting when I was 7 years old, when I lived in Tibet, they had sent a teacher to teach me English at Surpu Monastery. But there came a time after a while when they no longer gave that teacher permission to come to Turku Monastery, so I had to set my English studies aside. And then, after that time, when I came to India, I could study some English, but not in a continuous, uninterrupted way. Maybe sometimes I would engage in some English lessons during the course of about 5 or 6 months per year, and things like that. So my English comprehension has developed okay, but the speaking abilities, I think, are not as good. So in the end, I think it feels most comfortable for me to pretend that I can't speak English at all. Because if I got good at speaking English, I think that would become problematic.
That drink on that share the call to compassionate actions. That Tanasha Tangi Shia Tere Majita, missing our shares came into the machine. Tari Gonda share the entering our Americalia, Tin somebody on Bakeria share the public teaching somewhere of the Pazi Tamaru de Pazichade or and the Tari Dawa Ni Mazinzeria and Jibet teaching Mambushi Mambushi and Pazi share of Zosha.
Lasso?
That gets a share some shan, action share.
Lasso?
계신 분이 있어요.
Lasso?
Time to action.
La.
Time to
Time to act.
act.
Lasso? Mm-hmm. So we're continuing our discussion on the topic of a call to compassionate action. And this teaching session this evening, seems to represent the final public talk of my 2-month tour that has constituted my 3rd visit to the United States. So, during these 2 months of the tour, I've done a lot of teaching and given a lot of talks, and I think I'm actually out of things to say at this point. I don't have anything special to add to what I said earlier today, and so I think it's come time now that it's time to act. I think this situation of me having run out of things to say is showing us that it's time to translate all of our talk into action.
당기 차이날 나라니 계시 중으로
Lasso?
then emptiness 야고도 compassionate emptiness
Larry?
당원에 드는 게다 emptiness 차샤
Lasso?
계시 시야민데
Lasso?
동버 차샤
Emptiness chaksha. Lasso? Broken.
it's nothing to say, that's why emptiness.
Lasso? Oh, lasso.
Oh.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
You remember that?
Yes.
Everywhere, that is.
So, I was talking to someone earlier, and they were reminding me that the topic for tonight was emptiness, the progressive stages of understanding emptiness. But I think really I have become emptiness because I have nothing left to say.
That thing you and my see the game Karaslavda. 미참으로야 지 니지게야 뉴버스나 장도 야나 지 니지 공배동아 가서 다 니지 주야 뉴버로디 미참으로야 정신행계 여버치 이세체 저거 알아서 못 정도.
I think it's definitely the case that everyone has the capacity to develop compassion. Everyone has the natural ability to increase their compassion.
따이네 지 튠겐 좀만 좀 세는다도 다 이제 이제는 그 내단 된시에 에고 니지디 응어버 미세와 집에 쓰디요 차요지 걔네 차리요.
So, nevertheless, whether or not we can develop our compassion further depends on whether we can bring the conducive conditions together for that development. And so sometimes it's the case that compassion is present, but it is not made manifest or evident, that our compassion can remain in an obscured state.
네 인지기 지 제일 중요하게 아니 고급 네 이제 뉴뉴샤다 너나지 수수의 미진나로 충두이네 개치슈의 당부 충두이네 가서 인지관리야 타는 지 깨지시야 이관리야 인지시야 최디 망부지 가출해지 수수의 암조 나나 과야 진짜 충분히냐 그 첨부체도 싸네 에너지 양고랑게 지 인지 고랑지 가서다지 시글이야지 인지 지중으로 진짜 개와 로를 삼정도
Lasso? I think one of the main factors that can help us nurture our seeds of compassion is learning about compassion and hearing about compassion from the time that we are very small onward, from the time that we are very young onward. If we can talk about compassion, hear the word compassion resounding in our ears, then I think really this does make an effect on the type of character that we can then have a chance to develop later on as adults.
배나 하나님 용도를 시험인데 배수는 쉬입니다. 당에 기 라면들 카시 장하기 베스 체브레 디나는 기 지데 코리에 게디 장 베스 체브레 코리에 게 장제 지 로카시 주요하래 장베 거로데 가스베지 야고 싱도 강에 시작해 테마소 저진인데 코리에 게디 베겐 잡을시와
Lasso?
이내 다티 배주 동아로 지다 깨지시야 그거 비슷하 중요하면 음지지 코리아데 아라티레 여말라 투야도 대 뉴뉴를 치
Lasso?
네 인주산은 배주 당스 매비 인주산은 그 야게엔드라스 케메르 주죠 근데 전화 좀서 제산다 된르지래 지 인지 냠내 대대는 신지 배주 당스를 지랑 안내되지 못히네 지 응어서 응어서 정달 응어서 때때 가서 라렌다 그거를 지 뉴뉴이나 야겐 시랑 좀이야
Lasso? Nevertheless, it's very important for us to seize on those initial exposures to hearing about compassion and then put that into the practice of compassion in order for our compassion to continue to develop. So an example that illustrates this is my own studies of language that I have done since I moved to India. I've had the opportunity to get exposure to various language and engage in the study of some of those languages to different degrees. And one of the languages that I've studied is Korean, which I have enjoyed studying and which I've been fairly successful from a student's perspective of engaging in the lessons. So when I'm engaging in the lessons, it seems that everything goes smoothly and I understand everything clearly. I don't find it very difficult. It seems that Korean is actually somewhat similar to the Tibetan language in some ways. But on the other hand, I don't have a lot of opportunity to actually practice that Korean or to engage it in a practical way because I don't have a lot of opportunity to engage in conversation with Korean people. I don't meet up with them a lot or very frequently, so therefore my Korean language skills overall don't end up improving. And our compassion is the same way. We might gain an initial exposure to it, but we need to keep using the compassion and the tools of compassion that we learn in order to keep our compassion improving. We have to persist with that for the compassion to continue to develop.
다들 일단 이상 지 체리 바래 다나 신기 가서다 다나 지 지조 그 나가 리더 망부지기 안드제다지 참바다 닌지당 다가나 신기지 mindfulness somewhere and 참바다 시신 안다나 신기지 곰야라 소바디디 지조 나로리아 에너지 냠렌치하기 고급 용격 냠렌치하기 야격도 냠렌치하기 에너 고급 마스용하지 매주샤다 라버도 랍드카 지중 나로리아 엔다지 추루기 개발도 잡아매봐 다디지 secular servant 지당기 아주기 가르 라바디 데 미셔진루 서마라다 secular는 미셔진루 지르바 미셔진루 secular 지거래다 미셔진루로 버티니지기 토네 마지 가르에 냠네 차여지 리지기 베즈르 마부치가 알아 pen 녀샤르 세리버데 레벨 세리버데 투제 구즈기 안지 곰냠네 차레 다나 신기 가르라지 가르다지 템바다 시신 냠네 차티 수기 미기 레벨이야 거기에 다 슈겐 같이 되게 유명하다 펜더 같이 용도 유명 근데 이제 돌이야 다 심중 망부치 주주 망부치 땅다 다 이제 셰도를 들이 중소
Lasso? Tene denang shin ningje yang den double chak to be race.
자 베즈치야 랍선 주면도
Lasso?
they're trying to
Lasso? So, these days, there has been a great amount of interest in taking some of these contemplative practices that have traditionally been brought up through the Buddhist lineages and making them more widely available in a secular environment and in a secular way. So, of course, we have many leaders who are promoting the practices of mindfulness and general meditation techniques and making them much more widely available to a broader sections of society. So recently, I had an opportunity to discuss these efforts with some scientists who are doing work to monitor the brain and how meditation influences and affects the brain, what kind of signs arise when we practice meditation or engage in the practices of mindfulness and awareness, and what type of measurable benefits can accrue through these practices. And so there's a lot of research and a lot of energy being devoted into this, and they're also trying to look at how the trainings or practices connected to compassion can be employed in the same way.
아들이 주산에 동이 냠내서 말하다 동이 냠내서디 되는데지 참바다 니지기 냠내다 지금 잡아야 되지 산안장도 야나 동이기 딱 고아 산안장도 동이기 리고를 되네 아니 참바다 니지 냠내차기 지 균 지가로 basic the reasons somewhere 딱 한다라 시세계 더 김생 가리면데 같이 또 어떻게 알지 근데 지 통구였어 통구도
And then when it comes to emptiness, emptiness is very connected to the practices of loving kindness and compassion. And I think having an understanding of emptiness can become very strong support for our practice of loving kindness and compassion. In fact, understanding emptiness can become the very basic reason why we would engage in the meditations of loving kindness and compassion.
다 뚱니들이야 지 가르쇠 뚱니고 게시해 줄 사나다 미망부치리야 지 뚱니들이야 소소소다 뚱니디 된 사버르지 시예베 인상 대규제되는 미소솔리아야 대지 섬주르지 드시게 담면자르지 다나 신기 고알렌다 면자르지 오래 섬등이요 고알렌다 고알린 수면자 그 연한 것을 해.
La re.
용 것을 해.
La re.
네.
Lasso.
권해 발송.
Lasso. I've received a promotion. Because of not being able to hear. In terms of explaining the meaning of what emptiness is, there are many ways in which emptiness is discussed. It's taught to be a very profound principle, but there are different interpretations as to what is its meaning and different ways to understand this principle.
동의사대 내 라버치지 가서 두두지 얘는 유지 동의사대 가서 두두지 내 라벼 토네 지 드시게아디 계신부터 삼청이 가래서나 동의사대 아주 가르임바디 아주 정신 가르임바디 인주산에 다 정신 가르임바디 오늘시나다 레라버지 인국으로 왔다 그 인임바르지마다 다디 죄마르지마 인베 인주산에 인베 인주산에 다디 레라베 토는 제시 강토도 야과디 계치브르 제섬tum
Lasso. And I always try the best I can to explain emptiness in a very simple way, in a way that is easy to understand. I think it's very important to talk about emptiness in this way, because after all, emptiness is taught to be our inherent nature. It's taught to be the uncontrived nature of who we are, and since it is who we already are, it should be something that is easy, made easy to understand. Emptiness isn't something you have to make up, because it is our true nature.
emptiness 사디 지동번이 사디 지 동버사의 초진의 네거티브서를 매버지 그다 고어대야 초진의 포지티브 도는 섬다디 계시물의 섬증이 미망부지기 동번이기지 네거티브 섬으로 매밤 에너지 동밤 체베 차나 섬등가 아래디 섬다연 주산에 미망부지기 고아 로버를 망부지 차용도 아래 섬증도 드링 주산에 동번이기 다 간다 positive senanta도 미룩이 차나 삼로마다지 유룩 차나 삼다비나 이제 펜도체메로 섬통이
Lasso. Sometimes the term emptiness is interpreted as a negation. But on the other hand, emptiness can be interpreted in a very positive way, and I feel it's actually very important to know how to interpret or to understand emptiness in a positive way. we might think a lot of thoughts about emptiness that considers emptiness to be like a non-existence or a vacuity or some state of annihilation. But those types of thoughts lead to many different kinds of misunderstandings of what emptiness really is. So I think it's important to learn how to understand emptiness in a positive way and not understand it as the way in which things do not exist, but understanding emptiness as the way in which things do exist.
언제 동반이 사대 고급도 opportunity 잡지라 아 동반이 사대 라완 잡지 가서야지 freedom this space of freedom somewhere digital 동거야지.
So, I think the true meaning of emptiness is that it means that there is possibility and freedom and the space of freedom.
then just that 人性的那是 possibility 的那些因为当那心给安那是亚当就开始超元素马些吧但的那些也是出笼的车的这个大看到让往个 space 的那些影响他的就是的呢他们这些东北尼撒的可能呢就中度容啊这当安看到这个说参谋了就 manifest 的这家人们的这个大看到中共主席东北尼撒的中共主席的因为来安这东北尼撒的面着三主席他们这面着三主席嘛因吧他们这就是中共主席的这么去
In this way, emptiness can be seen.
black hole that is space.
So in this way, emptiness can be seen as the inherent space of possibility that exists for all of us. Emptiness is freedom from bias of any kind. It is the space of innate freedom. And since all phenomena are of the nature of emptiness, it is therefore possible for anything to manifest, for anything to arise. In this way, emptiness is the source of everything. It's the source for the origination of everything. And so it's really not the case that emptiness is the place where everything goes to become non-existent. It's more the case that emptiness is the source from which everything arises.
energy sabar da ji sabar tuya da na singi kandara ji karsu nuba sabar ji yar ba ji yong yu ji sam to penanga ji university samar universal samar da di kanala da ji din ji kam di cha sa yimina an ji dang mo pensu ji ji lian karsu java cha teledene and we saw Mambuchi, Kashreji, Danashi energy, Duze, Mambuchi troop, Danashi energy, Mambuchi Arabic. That did Shumres. Like you see, Mobura, so two to the Ruchi. Rawa go on a chain, Siena double member, the Nichevi Mina, and not chicken the troops, in Java Chana. Energy, an oxygen, Sadi, Yohayamar oxygen. That delay do you need tell?
That's all.
Tree do done already. Cosa detail.
That's all.
I did tell me and get a child.
That's all. Through contemplating the reality of emptiness, we can also come to understand the reality of dependent arising or interdependence. The reality of how things are always in continual dependence upon one another and in continuous interaction with one another. So emptiness represents this fundamental energy that underlies the relationship between all things. Emptiness makes it possible for new things to arise. So emptiness is this great capacity through which new things and situations can arise. And this plays itself out in the physical world itself, the universe that we live in. All things are connected with each other because of being of the nature of emptiness. If it were the case that everything existed independently on its own, without relying on or being connected to other things, then it would be impossible for new things to arise. It'd be impossible for atomic particles to relate to each other in a way that produces new life and new arisings. So, for example, even with the oxygen we breathe, in order for that oxygen to come into being, there has to be a relationship and interplay between atoms, molecules, and so forth. And due to that sense of possibility and interconnectedness, then we have oxygen that we can breathe.
Philosophical senandado tawandu jinga zu misida jaba mewa da de ji tudum de sheda da de ji na da nga su de shida pendor shme ina ya da de kande che dongbo ni de nga zu misida jaba kande chare da na singi da nga zu sheda ya dongbo ni de ani ji ni ji gi nyamne cha da jaba kande chare sa de tolya samdang ga de keshim chare ha de samdang
Nasam. And emptiness can also come across sometimes as a philosophical exploration, something that's just related to logic and tenet systems and so on. But if we confine our understanding of emptiness to just that, then it doesn't become something beneficial for us. So therefore, I think it's very important for us to continually explore the question of how can emptiness benefit us in our lives? And in particular, how can an understanding of emptiness benefit our practice of compassion?
Emptiness di daru di thone ngazu mizi nalo dishe khande kyaptu warasana and ngazu mizi sadi rang sad da ngazu nam yu sense of I and my somewhere bataji nganjing samlo jare ngaji nganjing samlo de ji rangwa wada suktu barabu tindi chigi dangzing ki sambachu yaba dele ya ani ji di ngoyu nizu da tube sambachu mibata dishi kyaptu wara karasana dije rangwa suktu bachike ya maras di changlo jigli jig due ne xian le due ne rangwa chungba na dana singi ji nga zuegi ji saa na de 통야 이나래 괜야 이나래 타당 아주 수분이 이나래 창로 지 뭐 망부질 때네 춥되지 마도베 때 오늘 지내기 아주 사바는 신기 다디 지 가수지 실본로지라 안다 도도원로지 다든지 매버지 드린 디준세 때네 아니지 다 매마 다 동바사야 돼 드리지 돈 저게 여야
Nasun? One way in which we can bring emptiness into our experience in our life is by reflecting how there is no real self that corresponds to our usual concept of ourself. We usually think of ourselves as someone who is independent, who exists apart from everyone else, without needing to rely on other things in order to exist. We have this strong sense of me and mine, which is in the Buddhist teachings called self-fixation. But it can be easily shown how those assumptions don't match reality. We don't exist independently, apart from other things. Everything about us and the things we enjoy exists in dependence upon other things. And so I exist only in dependence upon and due to others. This also applies not only to our own self-identity, but all the things we relate to in our lives. Our food, the things that we drink, the things that we wear, and even our own body. All of these phenomena are dependent upon many causes and conditions coming together, and in fact, they don't match the reality that we imagine is the case, in which there is some kind of independent me existing isolated from everything else, existing as this barren entity that's disconnected from everything else. And therefore it is said that the self does not truly exist, or that the self is empty.
Tādhīn tā ngā jī ngā mēba, dā mēba sādhī chōchīne ngā sū sāmba nāshīng ngā sū la nāwa dārgi dā chī yō mara sādhī mātō bāyā shīzē chāna dā yō mara sādhī kīchī māyī bichē ngā sū sāmba nāshīng chī dā ngā sū la yā nāwa nāshīng chī kī dā dā chī yō mara sī
Lāsa?
ngā sū dīng yū sāne, dī gyūzē tēne dā kēsī dīni yudhūsā tā sūsū mīzī dī mīzī tā kārshūrā tā dīni jī mīzī kī kārshūrā sūsū rānī kārī yīmbā dī chāsāng jī tōba chēba lī yā dīni jī tā kāntar sūsū tā jī ngā sāyā jī yōngā kī tā tūngiān sāyā tā āndō wā tā dī chāgiān rūp dī tsāngwē xiān kī dūñ shāba rī shirwa
Lāsa?
dīni dīsū lī yā jī 신기 준 샤바다 하고야지 그래서 gratitude 드리지 충분히나 아니 신의 나사데 그러지 봐디 지 뭐시에 들어가지다 에너지 돈도 투자하듯이 용으로서
Lāsa? So when we say that the self does not exist in this way, or that the self is of the nature of emptiness, what we're saying is that the self doesn't exist in the way that we imagine it to exist, or the way that we assume that it exists. We're not saying that there's no such thing as a self whatsoever. So this is important to know. Learning about emptiness of the self is actually learning about the totality of who we are. Because when we examine who we really are, beyond our assumptions, we then begin to discover all of the other things that we depend on to be ourselves. And when we discover all of those other things that we're depending on to be ourselves, we develop a further sense of gratitude towards that kindness that we receive from those things in order to exist. And when this understanding becomes complete, then I think we have a full understanding of who we really are.
다나 지지기 다다 생기 되어 사람도 야나 ngui nisu tola nga saade kandiji chubiyeba, kandiji yeba. Da dindiji ha mago ina, ane ji kompa nipa di ji niji nyamne chen. Nga da shengi baru la da ji draba sambu ji yonga ji la. Nye shen li ya kadar ji pento cha sa, karshu ji shenpen zhuya samba yonga saadi. Kala khabcha.
Nasa?
Karshu shizegi tatang lo de noro yimi na.
Lāsa? Mm-hmm. And I think this understanding emptiness in this way is really the first step in developing compassion, because it involves understanding the full reality of who we are. If we understand emptiness in this way, then we know who we really are, and then we can take the second step, which is to try to benefit others, try to extend compassion to others. But if we didn't understand emptiness and tried to take that second step of saying, I want to benefit others, I want to extend compassion to others, without knowing what or who the I is, then it's really difficult to take that step in a genuine way. So before we take that second step of compassion, this step of understanding emptiness as the first step is very important.
Kesi shenpen ji drupo sambi na di 다지 sub interest somewhere
That's all.
based the did chandra ninga
Even if we tried to move on to the second step without understanding emptiness, then there is a danger that that would just lapse into acting out of our own self-interest.
다 delya namju karso rasana ane dame tawa tuni gi ane be shirab tuni shirab dita rajita bche chonja nombu da bche ane ji dangzin di jagi chawa da bche tene ju sana nga zhe ge ane de da ji tuni gi shirab sanan da lo din jung ri wa sanan da a din je ge nu ba la den chen da nga zhe ge sue sha we tene ji ka zhe dangzin gi jang chawa de dong hu
That's all.
rikpa
That's all.
dinjung ribu ma zhuwa da yangde kujume chancho da
No. So, usually the way that the quality of understanding selflessness and emptiness is taught is that it's compared to being like a sword, a very sharp sword that cuts through the iron armor or the iron mesh of ignorance, the iron mesh of self-fixation. So if we make our sword of emptiness, our sword of knowing interdependence very sharp, then we will be able to cut through and break through all of the iron enmeshments of self-fixation that we have created.
nga zu sang lo cho chi ne zhen ba du cha ya prison zhen ba di na cha ne zhen ba di 가르 저 좀 받자래 알았잖아 가르라 되네 김생 가르라 되네 녀바 가르사는 정가나 나 알았잖아 다디 미세다 시야 다 소소소소 봐 정가나 주셔래 다디 정가한테 수수수 정가한테 소년대 수수체 중견대 수수체 디나 봐주 아 정가나 주제 아니 저 소소이네 다지 outside world somewhere the surdo law somewhere surdo the corner de bili a sha and dana singi susu gi daji ji nian nian wa somewhere nian nian ka xie de bili a jin de ba cha de ji de ji ma da be outside world de ba cha me so ji de ji su sha re 제가 너랑 아주 다 정가나야 주셔 다 기시 소수익이 딱 하나 낸듯이
That's so. An example of the state of ignorance that we are in now is that it's said that it's as if we're in a prison of our own making. And we might ask ourselves, what crime did I commit to get put in this prison? The answer is, there was no crime. You actually made the prison all by yourself. You were the one who made the prison. You are the prisoner, and you're also the one who keeps the prison under lock. And in this prison, we separate ourselves from the outside world and only have contact with a few friends and relatives who are very close to us. But outside of that, or apart from that, we're not connected to anyone on the outside. So this is a prison of our own making.
내주산에 아주의 시럽기 저지다. 아다나 신기 니지기 가르수에 도슈 계체. 아주의 가르수에 다지 저디 당진기 정한도 봐 또르네. 안지 진지된다. 아주 지 정한 치료를 봐. 전체 아니 소소에 따지 라와 사바 토야 차지다 안다는 신기지 예 치기 저불린리아 아주 connection 사바지와 드리지 배주샤데 개접시
Lasso. So, what we do when we endeavor to further understand emptiness and interdependence is that we sharpen our sword of wisdom and we lift that up with the strength of compassion. And bringing this sword, this sharp sword down with the power of compassion, we
power tool the souls and the power tool
power tool. Okay. Lasso. A power saw.
어. 아메리게 홈 디포나 녀서면도
plugged into the high voltage of compassion. Then we destroy the prison of self-fixation and we escape, we get out and connect with the outside world. We gain a new freedom.
아나들이 주산에 엔드니지기 가르소에 등진 세나장도 니지체네 엔 신에지 다 콤바니바디 지금 인지냐면 차사데 용거하죠.
Lasso. So when we break through our self-fixation in this way, then we're truly ready to take the second step of cultivating loving kindness and compassion.
다가나신 딘데비다 동이 의니수 가능이베데 소수 또 차베 제레야 대다른 마도비 엔심제 신달이 미네야 아니 양고지 가르소 understand 제토야르지.
Lasso.
다당 아주 understand 제도만 가르소 소수인의 디나로래야 신다 직분은 시체제 또 로버타워를 드셔베 이나 로버타워들 죄사회 제레야 신 디줄이야 understand 제토야지.
Lasso.
소수 디나로를 매빈사
Lasso.
아니지 가르소에 아니 understand 제도로서
Lasso. The reason why we say this is because once we understand the emptiness that is the true nature of reality, then we can truly understand the sentient beings who haven't realized that true nature yet. Previous to our realizing emptiness, we can't really understand other sentient beings because we're trapped in the same wrong views that they're trapped in. So we can't really understand each other if we're all trapped. But once we've released ourselves from the trap of wrong views, then we can truly understand the situation of other sentient beings and have compassion for them.
단도나 아주 상호를 가르쳐에 된저부터 딘중기 삼다체 지금 지르지되 잡아주지 아주다 지르지 가르쳐에 지금 잡아 차례하르지 아데 인주산다 지금 아주 드니지 니지 냠내 체네 지금 액티비스트나 자도 야는 저 청주선배스나 자도 다드니지 니지기 차와 챙겨를 드니지 요아지 아주 더 매주 지켜야
That's it. So this is the way in which we try to become an activist of compassion, otherwise known as a bodhisattva, or someone who does compassion. By understanding the reality of emptiness or interdependence, the reality of how everything is connected to each other.
다들 액티비스트들이야 다니예지 직대 가라스는 하나 런신기 찔찔 잡아차대 여기 인도상 알아서 차와치 삼동단다 다나 신기 절람케당 엔텔데네 찔찔이야 그 런신기 effect somewhere effect 다나 신기 가르쳐야지 런신기 찔찔이야 요아 동고야 알았어 이나디 아주 요아 동고 여በት 하고요 아마 다디 가라서 아주 하마고베 activist somewhere
Lasso?
that literally
Lasso?
소수 activist in but they 소수 하마고
Oh, la so.
那说
ning je ba.
你这没吧你些个话
Oh.
这里几当俺们上面特别是这样子，但你不的你是有的是啥的
Oh, la so. La so. Chita nga so sangma activist re.
，activist 查过马上来 activist 的
La
啥
so.
对对
La so.
对，哎呀没有，给这样没去了，
La so.
他这个
So actually, we are all activists because we are all always doing stuff. But there's. I'm working it. But there's really two types of activists. One is someone who really doesn't understand how their actions bring about effects upon others, or how their actions might change other people and other realities around them. They don't understand in an in-depth way this nature of interdependence and interconnectedness.
你呢？他讲到远当的有是，
But nevertheless, they are creating change. They are affecting others.
但你不的看到是三星的什么了？但是远的当过三，是瞧过什么三星的？他讲到米语的东西，这是他 activist 查的些。那个就是当多难说是，多难说。 他说：“是切动啊，呢，是马上比呢啊，个这个之类啊，越当的话嘞，这里当的越比呢，啊，当我说，真的当的越好看，当我说是 why we not choose 什么的，但是对，他说的 good effect 什么的，但是越啊不行啊，这当，那是也给上不行啊，错了啊，别做没些别，现在要嘛的是。
Lesson? Mm-hmm. But then the second type of activist is someone who understands and reflects upon the reality of interdependence so that they know that their actions are making a difference. They know that their actions are having effects on the world and on other people, and so they choose what types of effects they want to create. And so if someone knows that their actions are going to make a difference, then why not choose to make a positive difference? When we think about this, we can see that there's no reason not to try to make a positive change.
大的人就是啥呢？但你是啥的？你是有个的金钱了不起？大的你是啥的？参你是有为呢？但开片卡里有的啥什么事儿吧？
Lesson?
大这类这些家伙嘞，其实你是没被你们都的什么当兵呢？那现在你是有为开片的，我就到处要的是。
Lesson?
现在怎么领地团了呀？ 啊，就主要米这搞出来，平时这个这里啊，在外上班当，当然是个辛苦的上班的，这是农场不是那这样的，伢那是搞出来的，穷场不来呀，点些，那这贵没吧，这价没呗，这是甚至忙不进，贵价没不钱，那这这个他讲的，搞出来，但是。 他东西忙不起样的要的。
Lesson? Sometimes people ask the question, either to themselves or to others, what is the use of having compassion? What is the benefit of having compassion? But I think that just as useful, if not more useful of a question, is imagine what it would be like to have no compassion. What good would there be if we had no compassion at all? We can see this clearly because so much of the suffering in the world comes about due to a lack of love and affection in people's minds, and a lack of acknowledging how we all depend on and are connected to each other. This lack of care and concern for sentient beings creates a lot of suffering for sentient beings who become destitute without refuge or protector.
เป็นปูมเกี่ยมาทาเบปูชีอาบดาเมกิคนเลีย take care มาเจสานมาตาเทเลียอันนี้การช่วยคริสเตียนมาเจเชกูกราบิจินลูชานะสาบระกินีลูสานัน
Lasso?
แต่เดี๋ยวย้อนดีอ่ะดิสังกินีลูสานายูชานะอันกันได้เชื่อเลยทีนี้ที่จุนเซนเตเน่งาช่วยกิการช่วย human existing สมรภูมิชีเจ existing เช้าละเจ้าว่าสาดีเงียบระตุกว่าอย่างเบจิตังเจ้าว่าแม่บิมินะงาช่วย existing เช้าข้าวอย่างเบจิงาช่วยชิงก์
Lasso? We can think of the heartbreaking images that we sometimes learn about, the heartbreaking stories of children being left alone by their parents, being thrown into garbage bins from the moment of their birth. Obviously, it's impossible to grow up in a healthy way when one is without refuge or protector in that way. And this also very clearly illustrates that compassion and love are necessary for our very existence. So it's really not a question about what good there is in having compassion. It's about realizing the danger and destruction of not having compassion.
当然是这么领导的龙波忙不起，没上了就开始，这当个忽然说就，第一说话的些，当然是这制度点别的，刚才结合的那些些，但因为路都这蒙住全不出呢，那没上了就东西那看呢，就制度点别的结合的，那这别就。 가서다 신지 종결을 잡지 되지 차네 되지 차요 주산 나 대야 아주 지 인지 매배다 지부 선나라도 가다 될땐 우리 총대비지 아주 통세를 주 그다 통도 통신
That's so? We can also witness the example of some countries that are beautiful countries filled with well-being and joy and elegance, but then are beset by the condition of intense warfare. And due to that intense warfare, what was once a beautiful and abundant place becomes a place filled with suffering, as if it's a city of the Lord of death. And this is a very clear example that we see quite a lot of in the world today, of the result of having no compassion, or the result of a lack of compassion.
人就是呢，提就是点呢，就早晚没把啥的，我那就怎么的搞出来就，的几不全部是不去，但是等下说就，的几不全部拿来家，就变成年下儿，尼泊尔呀，上午几不全部冲些，他们就这全部给些，巴尔的同样就是就这全部给个了，上面给别那张同样就是。 이내양 아주 로아밀리아 닝즈와 메바디 지고디 텔레가 지 야샤와지라 텔레가 effect 셔 인주산 지고디 지체나다 natural disaster 지술라다 지고체
That's so?
디지 임베 소나게
That's so? Having a lack of compassion is actually a very frightening thing. Recently in the world, we've seen very frightening events, such as the earthquake in Nepal. When we see these terrible images of destruction and harm, we become very frightened. But even more frightening than that, even more frightening than any natural disaster, is the situation of human beings lacking in a heart of love.
미 장부로 가지 시에버디 바지 점불린이야 런중 쿠르를 댄시 디지 시야데 칼라카브레
Lasso. We can just look at how many people died in World War II due to aggression, which was the result of the lack of compassion on the part of individual human beings. How many millions of people died in that war? It seems that it's very rare for a natural disaster to produce that many deaths.
어디 인주산에 디 균센데네 가다르지 가르쇼에 자와 매버데 지부치미 미주산에 자와 뎀버사데 지진 자와 뎀버사데 초시니 시라시라 미질 자와 yana 할레아스케 요마르데이네 자와 매버디 니주 통연데 엔 자와 예버사데 오늘 지 자침으로 샤다
Lasso? Lasso? So if being without love or if lacking in love is as dangerous as has been described, then we can come to really appreciate having love in our hearts, having love in our minds. Generally speaking, and without thinking about it very carefully, you could think that having love, it's kind of ordinary, it's no big deal, nothing to really rejoice about in particular. But if you think about all of the pain, destruction, and danger that can come about through not having love, then you begin to appreciate that having love is actually a very precious thing.
어다드링 인주산에 따드니지 자와 미망부시 알아야 계속 진영에 다 현래야 편바지 두고도스 다 이내 지금 알아야 돼 편바 주비하기 편바 랍신스 말이지 자와 랍신지 주비하러 근데지 니바 가면도 다들이 인주산 알베 토지시 땅 앞에 미직 되지 추부를 차 겸주 나로지 추부지 차
Lasso?
밀레니아 차
Lasso?
안다는 신기야 지 아직 제거성도 나라나 뉴버팅면도 세상 알한데 왕세연기 authority 연기 또 예가 본부를 되지 차 겸주 나로지
Lasso?
이 신이들의 방법이야
Lasso? Many people come to me and express their concern about not being able to help others. They say things like, I'd really like to help others in a vast way, in a meaningful way, but I don't have any power and ability to help others in this way. So please look upon me with compassion and pray for me that I will become a billionaire or a millionaire. And then I will be able to help many sentient beings. Or they say, please pray for me that I gain a lot of power and authority, and then I will be able to benefit many sentient beings.
밀레니아 코라 고스응이 되는 나라 차나 섬 텐디도 차로 지금인도
Lasso? Lasso? La. Oh.
밀레니아 차로 잖아 그냥 다 나라 차로 지삼 정도 대 차로 지금인도
Lasso? But if I had the ability to turn someone into a billionaire, I would turn myself into a billionaire. But it hasn't worked so far.
마오발 빌 게이츠 풀이 개발해 몰람 지tab잖아 담아지 걸 부망고 예사 다 요샤나
Lasso?
아용마 빌 게이츠 풀은 빌 게이츠 이거 그 부를 개 몰람 잡잖아
Lasso? Oh.
팬더 마치
Cartine.
아 어떡해 다 근데 인주산에 다 I will tell you later. Okay, it's okay.
Sorry. I'll have to tell you that joke later.
No, it's just between you and me.
Okay.
Today you stand the champagne drubialia, inji miji gashwe. That is Miss Hology, millionaire chana. The charge you Kalakabra. The chana Chasumana, Kalakabra.
Lasa?
And a Dinidustane that Kandariang Yesadi, the champagne drubialia. Ya millionaire chana, champagne drubbing ever amaras.
Lasa?
Zobolina millionaire mangu are the Kusu champagne drubbing in Tizumbe.
Lasa?
And Dinidustane millionaire macha on a champagne drugosan, millionaire chasavajera, champagne drua gendos.
Lasa?
All the train being used on the Junsen Dene. And a Kandas show the and Ranti Gurt.
Lasa? But benefiting others really isn't that simple. Someone might have a wish to become a billionaire or a millionaire in order to benefit others, but there's actually no certainty that you will benefit others just through becoming a billionaire or a millionaire. Some people might set out with the intention to benefit others through becoming a billionaire or a millionaire, but once they achieve that state, then they forget about the aspiration they made. So one can't be so sure that that's the way to benefit others.
So the Dang Azuda, Lunga Yisumdi, Kashreji, Johet and the member of Chawa, the case of Charge, Lunga Yisumdi. The other Trinidung Azu, Lunga Yisumdi, Nalola Energy, Seve Yuan Dam, Logic, compared to Tanji, and Susu Lunga Yisumdi, Johet and the Goes Chavimina. And Kashre, that's the the champagne chawasade, the lapsins, that is Shizaluja.
Lasa?
Today, my chip says, Susu Lunga Yisumdi, energy Kashre, champagne, Gunjuar, tea, change some of Guara Sanandran, Gundo, the Madame Shet, the last Jingobo Dodor, Kije, and the champagne drew Sana, that is champagne, Namati, champagne woman, the Druka Kalakacha.
Lasa? On the contrary, I think the real genuine way to go about benefiting others is to dedicate one's body, speech, and mind toward the benefit of living beings, to increase our expressions of love and the positive qualities connected to love in our body, speech, and mind, so that our activities of body, speech, and mind become activities for the benefit of sentient beings. I think this is really the root of accomplishing vast benefit for others. If we don't try to transform ourselves in this way, and rather regard benefiting others as just getting something that is outside of ourselves, then that won't become a genuine path of benefiting others.
Champagne Dua Sadi, any Kashreji, Drubse Champagne Dua di, Drubse di, Cho Shindaji, Rani di, and Logaji within the Savimina, Champagne Namas Dua Kalakabres.
Lasa?
Rani Koran, Champagne Dualia, dedicated summer. Rani Koran, Champagne or you at Shawadi, Chadi orders.
If we set ourselves up as the person who wishes to benefit others and set the goal of benefiting others or accomplishing the benefit of others up on the outside or separate from that, then we will never accomplish the fully genuine expression of benefiting others. What we need to do in order to accomplish the genuine benefit of others is to transform ourselves into the benefit of others, to make it so that we ourselves become of the nature of benefiting others.
other thing you stand up, the little share shop. That Paji did the rich man, I miss a Shindas gave and miss a share mirrors to share.
Lasso?
And that's a casual. Diana, yes, somebody else. Andara casualty, can it get share down? Lalenta Nilia, Tandoinea, G. casual. Yantar and Buy Davis. The Indian Sane, energy. G. casual. Narang winning in Binia, she casualty. She ever some she Missemba. Coat some she Missemba. That day, Susu Gulia, Jarche. 냠솔레야 톨림비나 아주기 다 베주체네 텔레임비나 가르쳐다지 너나 지 최당 강사스는 장도 차와당 강사니 버룰이야 에너지 최규 차와대다 생긴 제법보디니 버룰이야 양타 지점식이 용화 이나 디수지기 딱 니주 돌이야 Monetary dash in Jibu Temerage. You are going some to news.
Chutong. So I think we're getting to the end of what I have to say. I think in general, there still seems to be a sense that there is too much distance between what we say and what we do. So the way I personally view this is that it's important to not just content oneself with saying things and not just satisfy oneself through understanding things, but actually take what was said and take what was understood and apply that as meaningfully as we can to our own mind, and then begin to bring it into our experience through practice and effort. And so in traditional language, this means taking the separation away between the Dharma and the person. We don't want the Dharma and the person to be two separate things, but we want them to merge together. And in another way, you could describe this as lack of separation between the action and the performer of the action. So as short of a distance we can make between the action and the performer of the action, then I think to that degree we will truly come to understand reality and manifest genuinely positive results.
단 너는 다리 가수에 아메리카리아 다팅 숨바디에 걸이야 엔더지 다 말지 수수 미지나 중요해 다지 치 예업지 나눠래야 나와 니기는이야 다지 로규 체차기 또 고급 상부를 된데 충분해 이내 아다디 고급디 고급 초전 고급 팀 당부래 이내야 내가 저러다 고급 타만 디미베 저러도 치 the first we hope is not the last 드니 주산에 안드리지게 가수에 다지 네 가수에 지셔비는 디 마음발이야 다지 소소지 가수다지 마 저빈 가스칼이야 드라기 다지 랑와기 고사버를 지인베기 다 rewa to skills. Mashida ngara rewa shira rewa ya expectation chal gabashame
Lasso?
karasana expectation someone this kanger chevinza. Expectation chal gabashame dina ta jingenia the malamchi gabshavina madribuke samara something.
Lasso? So I'm coming to the conclusion now of my third visit to the United States of America, and I feel very fortunate because this visit has brought an opportunity for me that I've never had before in my life to visit a foreign country for 2 months. So this has been a very excellent opportunity, and it's been the first of such opportunities, but I hope that it's not the last of such opportunities. And I also hope that this opportunity represents the opening of a door that will allow me to gain greater and greater freedom to visit various different countries throughout the world. This is my hope, but on the other hand, I don't like to invest a lot of my energy in expectations. So I'm not going to keep my expectations too high. Nevertheless, I think there's nothing wrong with me making this aspiration.
니네지기 고급 세마르다 니네지 타와데 두즈 망부시랑 거래 강에 지 다지 기도기 다 간다 강에 망부지 유이세 다 니네지 충분해 도망아 별이야 대베급이야 아니 가수에 양지 파스드라데 아니 강에 요아르 아니 주산에 아니 별이야 다지 별이 야갈이야 최저의 용과가 김선 쪼디 나랑게 근데 김선 쪼르디 가래스나 다지 지계급다 망부실이야 신제 다지 지계리에 다지 초고소래 다는 신기 안다지 가서다지 미망부치 딱 가는 미망부치 때 가서다지 통대에 딱 미망부치에 인주산 디즈레와 꽝아르지 근데 체도 다 나랑 외네지 담배 지 가서다 나랑 외네지 다 르동르지 제고도 삼젠 다가도 변해서 저저도 용말에 안데네 야갈레 제리 미네다 로정아 슬라즈도 다도 로정아 하즈를 침버래 다디 다다르지 삼번는 시지 용알이야 다 뒤주 먹고 시작하고 안드니 주산에 디균센 때는 뒤주 먹고지 고아보다 소소 지 강에 먹고지 귀네 또 충분히 민주산에 근데 고급 스타바데 소소년에 자천부당 린탄 제와지 봐 근데 저기 문제 定사무직 수용돼도
It took a long time for me to gain this opportunity to travel to a foreign country for 2 months, and a lot of hardships were involved in waiting for this opportunity to arise. When I lived in Tibet, the main difficulty that I had is that I didn't have a lot of freedom of movement. I wasn't able to go to foreign countries, and therefore the main reason why I escaped from Tibet and traveled to India was so that I would have this freedom of going to foreign countries, visiting with my friends and acquaintances and many people who wanted to meet with me and who I wanted to meet with as well. And I made the decision that I needed to sacrifice something in order to gain this greater freedom. And so I escaped from Tibet and went to India. And it's been 15 years since I made that escape, and it has taken 15 years to start to gain the type of freedom of movement that I had originally hoped for. And since so many difficulties have been involved in making this wish manifest, I really deeply appreciate this opportunity and recognize it as something that is very precious and valuable.
아니 지당 지당 다시 까마 영화 까마 베센을 쿠르제 다들지게 긴구르 서머베 긴구래야 다 레랍지만은 야 토마르디 긴구 체베깔다 로 듄제 디가블야 녜라 까마 바사데 가르이면 고츠가마네 데네 인주사는 다시 가르에 지 까마 바 수수 가르쳐예마 하마오버지 리아다 간다 차소 들으지제 데네 인주사네 가르쳐다지 초진이 시에미나 안다지 간다 나라이미냐 지당기 간다를 직대비 지원난 신기 디도고 소화에 되지당 아 지대비 지원난 신기 지 소화 견도에 되버든지 지레디 다 이미냐 얘다 내거로디 엔다지 din지 고급 매버지 din지기 다 간다 가르쳐다지 내단으로 din지 신다지 요침이래 다 임비냥 수수에다 장왕다 다 망부지 바 려동으로 체제 다 민신다 리아지 편도르지 민신다지 좋아요하다 안타나야지 민신다지 지 좀다게 스마일 좀으로 din지 요하로 din지 충분히 임비냐다지 수수 세미나로래야지 가르쳐야 지 meaningful 소화서 말이다지 din지 원디가 알아 아들이 주산 디규전 때네 당연 되죠.
Lasso? So generally speaking, having the name and position of the Karmapa is something that entails a lot of responsibilities which aren't easy to uphold. So as you know, I was recognized as the Karmapa at the age of 7, and at that time, I didn't understand what it was going to be like to become the Karmapa. I had no idea what becoming the Karmapa would entail, but in any case, it has become what it has become. When I was 7 years old and when I was a child, I had all of the same aspirations that any ordinary child would, all of the same joys and sorrows and hopes, and I had the desire to have the experience of that any normal child would want to have, but I had to sacrifice a lot of that because of the changes that I went through. So I had to give up a lot of my own individual freedom. But on the other hand, even though this has involved some difficulties, it gives me a sense of a meaningful purpose if the activities in my life can bring some measure of happiness to others, some measure of delight to others, and can even make some other people smile once in a while, then that's something that's really satisfying to me and feels meaningful to me.
That energy 가르쳐야지 어란데 딱 안다 드리지 삼루를 좋아하디 not because of 서머바다지 수수 남바인 비균센데네 아드리지 남바 인사 드리지 차고 레사르지 드리기 균센데네 총대버지 말해 아다나 신기 수수라니다 까마바인 비균센데네 아고 장기 낭기 서머 automatically 드리 영아지 드리지 말해
Lasso?
딱 안다지 수수 저진에 기부 담아 먹어지래야 지 때야 그거를 충분히 인상 아니 뒤주기 오늘은 딱 가서에 지 현라 자와 차디 다지 미진님 부르지 뭐지 근데지 어저르지 근데 충분해
Lasso?
안다나지 소소기 다지 파마트 주기 균이면이나 소소기 개치슈지디 nga kama ba ni bang jin chebe kal ya nge phama de ju kyang oda yin sha sha lu jeje an ka da kama ba karasan da search party lerwa search party le da ko kama ba re sha
Lasso?
그래서 디 kama ba da nga ju re ki ju ma re su ki shos nga ju de
Lasso?
wo yes la ra da
Lasso?
da ji dang gi nu jo phama de jin da di it's difficult to understand not accept it ra
Lasso?
다 이내다 그주 삼을 야침을 다지 다지 이 쇼진에서 자와 매바 말도 인비네 그주 삼을 야침을 다지 수수 보디지 관주 지볼이야 다되지 뭐 이보다 간다지 심지어 탐지엘이야 쉬쉬 두니에는 드리직 삼다 드리직이 삼을 야침을 다면 대대신 알아니네 디기다 슈기엔 상부를 태요
Lasso?
데라서부터 균세 망고질 대ense and began to understand, not fully understand. Right?
Lasso?
이내 다시 클릭을 지금 어떻게 충분해.
Lasso?
다 조로지도 와야.
Larre.
야.
Ma-
나도
Must be getting a little late. So, the reason for my adopting this attitude about how I try to face or accept the responsibilities of being the Karmapa didn't come about just because I felt that I am a Buddhist, I should do this, nor did it come about automatically just because of becoming the Karmapa, but it came about due to many positive influences in my life. I've had the opportunity to rely on many genuine, excellent masters as teachers. And I've learned through their living example that extending love and concern to others is the essence of being alive as a human. Furthermore, when the search party came to look for the Karmapa and pointed to me and identified me as the Karmapa, they basically said to my parents, "He's ours now, he's no longer yours. Give him over to us." And of course, this would, especially to Westerners, be very difficult to understand, a difficult situation to accept. But my parents were very brave and very altruistic in the way they accepted this situation. Of course, it wasn't that there was no difficulty for them at all, but they were able to take a very broad attitude. They were able to think about this in a very vast way. And they made the decision that if they allowed to let me go, then this would be of benefit to the world, benefit to sentient beings, and that's the attitude that they chose to adopt. And I think that the fact that they chose to adopt that attitude had a very positive influence on me, and it helped me to begin to understand how to relate to these responsibilities.
이제 당에 대다지 music 가서 냠냠 시에고 윤센데 다들 내 music story share 되 계속 말해. 이 시에고 윤센도 가르쳐 왔잖아. 땅 아랑 까마바 지까마바 사데 가르쳐 다지 까마바 이미 사데 아랑 하고메 이내야 에너지 까마바 차디지 고급 상부를 지미지 good opportunities 뭐로 드리지에서 고급 상부를 지미인자 아니 델레덴시 안다가다지 셴펜주야 고급으로 두 충분해 수수 가르이면 원시야지다 미진님부 가르이면 원시야 따지 고급 첨부지 충분해 다가는 신앙 상무지구래 고급 마중원 좀 레마도 아주 상물로 되지 긴구르 예바당 이제 뉴베 예바당 직벌해 드네주사는 얘다 드네주사는 저 참여기 드네지에다 가르쳐지 수수기 미진나로래야 갈라 간섬기 지 니지 냠래 뉴버 니지 냠래 체베이나 지 뉴버 태야에 되지다 제고를 지난주 예바도 제고를 쓰여 말아 이면에 다지 딱 나한테 배수를 비세지 경황소를 미래 얘기지 가서 지 닝도 심쇼 파려다 다는 신기 가수에 다 명람 타네야지 명람기 땡드시 그래서 정도스
Last song? Milan get ten now.
명람 됐어 명람 야다 집에서
Last song? However, in the end, I'm not talking about this because I feel it's important for you all to know my own personal life story or my own personal experience, but I'm just talking about this as an example to illustrate the point that if we have opportunities to train in compassion, then it's really wonderful and meaningful to seize those opportunities. So I feel like this situation of me becoming the Karmapa, and I don't know whether I'm the Karmapa or not, but what I do know is that I have been given an excellent opportunity to develop loving kindness and compassion. I've been given an excellent opportunity to realize what it truly means to live a meaningful human life through benefiting others. Other than that, we're all the same. We might not all have the same opportunities, but we all are the same in having a responsibility to the world, and we're all the same of having the capacity to develop loving kindness and compassion. And so, the fact that I have received such opportunities to bring forth the power of compassion in my own life has been very fortunate for me. And I think that if you seize whatever opportunities that you have to develop compassion, then that will be very beneficial for yourself and the world, but I'm not saying that you absolutely must do this. I'm not saying that you absolutely must do this, but I think that it is beneficial to do this, and I hope that my own story can serve as an inspiring example and a support for your own aspirations.
다 쇼데 기지 시야를 저러 고설 여마라 여러 다들 당당 예시야 차리
Lasso?
도시에서
Lasso? Lasso? So now, my part is done. Thank you very much.
오늘 마음바라 양자 아메리카리아 양자 영토야 로아요.
Lasso? And I certainly hope to return to the United States in the future. And I hope to meet with you all again.
Thank you.
Your Holiness, we offer our deepest and joyous gratitude for your presence here with us. And I would like to invite to the stage Diane Beret Gregorio, who is the Executive Director of Nalanda Bodhi International, to offer closing remarks. Diane has been tirelessly leading efforts in planning and actualizing His Holiness's visit. Diane.
Your Holiness, on behalf of Nalanda Bodhi, students of Dzogchen Ponlop Rinpoche, and our center here in Seattle, Nalanda West, we offer our deepest thanks to you for returning to Seattle and for offering us these wonderful teachings. We've been inspired by your teachings and your message of interdependence and compassion, and the need to take action. And this has inspired us to reach out into our community and to make new friends here in Seattle who share our commitment to alleviating suffering in the world. And so we are very grateful as Nalanda Bodhi and Nalanda West to host those organizations who are present today. Seeds of Compassion, the Backbone Campaign, Bodhi Seeds, Compassion Games, Compassionate Seattle, Forced to Flee, Nitartha Institute, Roots of Empathy, Youth Care, and Art Wolf. So again, on behalf of all of us, Your Holiness, we thank you for coming, and we ask you to please return again and again to Seattle. We would also like to extend a special thanks to His Holiness Sister, Chamsingla, for joining His Holiness on this visit.